Namaste, welcome to Sutra Network India. Today's top news are as follows. India's first made in India processor chip. At the Semicon India 2025, the Union IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav officially presented the Vikram 32, India's first indigenous 32-bit processor designed specifically for space applications. Built by ISRO's Semiconductor Laboratory, is engineered to withstand extreme conditions encountered in space. Germany seeks India's help in Ukraine's peace efforts. German Foreign Minister Johann visiting New Delhi urged India to leverage its close ties with Russia to encourage Moscow's return to peace negotiations over Ukraine. India, while maintaining balanced diplomacy, is now being asked to play a vital role in the global conflict resolution. India and China reignite business collaboration. Following thawing tensions, India and Chinese companies are reviving talks on joint ventures, particularly in the electronics and automotive sectors. This thaw in diplomatic relation opens new economic avenues and reflects a pragmatic shift towards mutual growth. Prime Minister Modi reaffirms special and privileged ties with Russia. At the SCO summit, Modi and Putin publicly reaffirmed their special and privileged relationship as India continues importing discounted Russian oil despite Western sanctions and US tariffs. Their meeting underlines a steadfast bilateral alignment and an increasing economic and strategic realignment. Su-57 5th-gen fighter jet prospects for in-India production. Russia is currently evaluating the feasibility and cost of manufacturing its advanced Su-57 5th-generation fighter jets in India under the Make in India initiative. This includes proposals for technology transfer and local production. Well, there's a broader context. Strategic defense partnerships. India and Russia are not just focusing on new ventures, but also reinforcing existing collaborations through local manufacturing and technology sharing. For example, in tanks, assault rifles, frigates, and ammunition. These developments situate the latest news within a broader trajectory of India-Russia defense industrial cooperation. Quota based on historical records, not blanket benefit. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis confirmed that the state government will grant reservation benefits to Marathas only if they can establish social and economic backwardness using records from the Hyderabad Gazetteer. This marks a shift from blanket quotas to documentation-based eligibility. Acute gender imbalance in the Supreme Court. Following the retirement of Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia in August 2025, Justice Nagaratna stands as the only woman judge among the 34-member Supreme Court bench, highlighting the severe underrepresentation at the apex level. India pushes local treatment infrastructure in Nagpur. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari announced that Nagpur will soon house dedicated bone marrow transplant centers at AIIMS Nagpur and Government Medical College and Hospital to treat patients with sickle cell diseases and thalassemia. The announcement follows successful bone marrow transplants performed in Mumbai and Ahmedabad and includes calls for state grant support to fortify the region's treatment access. Flood havoc in northern India. Yamuna crosses danger mark. Exceptionally heavy monsoon rains have unleashed widespread flooding across Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Delhi. The Yamuna River breached its danger mark in Delhi, prompting evacuation of around 10,000 residents. In August alone, over 130 lives were lost and vast swaths of farmland, 150,000 hectares, were destroyed. The India Meteorological Department has issued ongoing warnings across the region.
At Ramayana Club, We believe your spiritual journey should be as meaningful as the destination themselves. For over 10 years, we have been connecting devotees with India's most sacred places, including Ayodhya, Kashi, Mathura. Our expert guides, inspired by the Ramayana and other ancient texts, ensure an authentic and deeply fulfilling experience. We have successfully guided over 15,000 happy devotees on more than 500 pilgrimages to over 120 destinations, making your journey comfortable, affordable, and rich with spiritual essence. With our fast, reliable, and affordable rides, your only focus is your devotion. Let Ramayan Club make your pilgrimage a cherished memory. For more information, please visit our website